Prehistoric mega settlements were almost exclusively vegetarian. A study by researchers from the Collaborative Research Center 1266 at the Christian Albrechts University Jukal has revealed that Europe's prehistoric mega settlements relied on fertilizer and plant protein. Mega settlement of the Triphyla societies arose around 6,000 years ago in the territory of the Republic of Moldova and Ukraine. Starting around 4150 BC, these societies constructed large plant settlements covering areas of up to 790 acres, which many researchers argue were the earliest cities in Europe. It was previously assumed that these large communities relied on subsistence farming. However, according to Kiel paleoecologist Dr. Frank Schultz, the supply of the residents of the mega settlements was based on extremely sophisticated food and pasture management. But how could such large groups of people ensure their nutrition with Neolithic technology? In order to answer this question, we have determined the carbon and nitrogen isotope composition of hundreds of samples over the last 10 years, says Johannes Milliger. The isotope can be used to determine how domestic animals were raised, whether crops were given with fertilizer, and the role plants and animals played in human nutrition. The researchers came to the conclusion that a large proportion of the cattle and sheep were kept in fenced pastures, and the animal dung produced there was used by people to intensively fertilize peas, says Frank Schultz. This is supported by studies by the University of Kiel, which determined the Triphyla farmers relied primarily on a diet of grain and peas in what is now Ukraine and Moldova 7,000 years ago. Peas and grains provide nutritional value to the human diet but are also a balance in essential amino acid. Furthermore, the resulting pea straw likely served as feed for the livestock grazing in the pastures. According to the study, because of this close connection between crop production and livestock farming, the people of the mega settlements were able to adequately and healthy. The labor intensive and resource consuming production of meat was largely eliminated. Beyond this report,